Now we have our Entrepreneurship Award. Entrepreneurship is the art of possibility, a blend of courage, creativity and vision. Our finalists are Ali Keskin Bıçak, Can Uçar, Hüseyin Güntaş, İnan Kıral, İrem Deniz, İsmail Yoğurtçu, Mehmet Nezir Korkut, Metin Pekin, Özgür Demirci, Süleyman Çağ. Congratulations to our winner, who is Mehmet Nezir Korkut. A big round of applause.